Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on counting on. While many students are able to count from the number 1 in the normal manner, it is essential for students to be able to count on from any given number. This is a useful skill which can save time when doing simple addition problems. Consider the following number line. Focus on the red circle on the number 3. So there's the red circle there. Now count on an extra 5 numbers past the number 3. How did you go? So here's the number 3, that's where we've started. We're going to count on an extra 5 numbers in that direction. Let's have a look one possible way we can do this. Counting on 5 numbers past the number 3 can be done in 2 different ways. Put your finger on 3 and do the following. So if you put your finger on 3, let's pretend it's there. Shift your finger to 4 and count 1. 1. Then shift your finger to 5 and count 2. 2. Then shift your finger to 6 and count 3. 3. Then shift your finger to 7 and count 4. 4. Then shift your finger to 8 and count 5. 5. What number did you land on? So 8 is the answer. So that's one possible way of doing this, using the number line. I have reproduced the number line below for ease of reference. So this is the second way. So this is the same number line and the same problem. Think of the number 3 in your head. Remember, the red dot is on the number 3. Then count 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The answer is still 8 because that is the last number. Now here's a very good way of doing this so you don't lose count. Your hand can help you keep track that you have counted on only 5 times. See, because you've got 5 fingers on the hand here. So you go 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and there are 5 numbers there, and that's why you finish on 8. So you will still finish on 8. Practical examples. Now some applications here. We'll just do another question here and then we'll give you an indication of how we can apply this in real life. What number is 4 more than 2? Okay, there's 2. What number is 4 more than 2? Count on 4 more numbers after 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you get 3, 4, 5, 6, and the answer is 6. Now, by practical applications we mean, here's an example in everyday life. Bill had 2 marbles, but Mary had 7 more. How many does Mary have? Okay, so just pretend Bill's got 2 marbles, so if that's a number line, there's your number 2. So all you have to do is count on 7 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So of course after 2 you have 3, after 3 you have 4, and so on. So the answer is 9. So there's a simple problem in everyday life where you can use counting on. Also, board games. We play plenty of board games, so here's another example of using counting on in everyday life on a board game. For the above board game, there is a square red marker which is 8 spaces ahead of the blue marker. Where is the square red marker? So here's your blue marker. So the square red marker is 8 spaces ahead of the blue. So let's just count 8 spaces. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's pretend that's the square red marker there. And that's where it would be. It would be on this orange space there. Okay, so there's your square red marker. Let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's where it is. Here's another example of a different type of board game. Find the numbered square which is 12 spaces ahead of the yellow triangular marker. So here's the yellow triangular marker, and we need 12 spaces ahead. So all you do is start from the yellow and count ahead 12 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay? So the number is 21. There it is there. So the answer, 21. So we've had a little introduction to counting on, and we've seen a few examples of what counting on means, and we've also seen a couple of examples in real life.